Today, let us see Introduction to Index Match in Google Sheet, which is a powerful alternative to your VLOOKUP. Let us see an example for that. So what is index matches? So it is, as I say, it is a powerful tool which is used in your Excel. It is a combination of your index and the match function. Okay, it is used to look up the values in your table, which is often preferred over your VLOOKUP because of its flexibility and the efficiency. Okay, so when it comes to an advantage of index match over VLOOKUP, so whereas it has no column restriction, when it can go works well with your left or right, whereas VLOOKUP only search for your right. Whereas efficiency, it will be more efficient than your VLOOKUP. Why? Because it does not require the scanning of the entire table. And it also handles column restrictions. Okay. So columns insertions. Okay. So these are the main advantages of index match over a VLOOKUP. Okay. So what will be the index function will return? So index function will returns the value from a specific cell in a range based on the row and column numbers. Okay. Whereas your match function will search for the value in the range and return its position of it. Okay, let us see an example on it. Let me show an example for this. So this is a revenue of an ice cream. Okay, so let me take an example of ice cream type as pista, butterscotch, vanilla, and chocolate with the revenue values. Okay, now what I want to do is I just want to get the ice cream type as a butterscotch and the revenue value over here. Okay, for that I can use my function. Okay, so from that function, first I need to match it. Okay, so I'm just clicking over that match and okay. Now it shows me the function arguments. What are the function arguments? I can get it. So it is my butterscotch. Lookup value is a butterscotch. Okay, I'm just copying it. You can see over there. Then comes your lookup array from an array of ice cream type. Okay, from the array of ice cream type. So sorry. So this is your lookup value or as your lookup array. So lookup array will be from here. Okay, so say okay. Then you can see it is a second position. Okay, it will return. Then comes your revenue. I just want to get the revenue of my butterscotch. For that, I use index function. In index, okay, click the array first one with array with column name. Okay, so array is my this one, right? Revenue from this will be my array of it. Whereas our row number, so now only I just find it out, the row number is 2. Okay, I'm just passing the row number as 2 and set it as okay. Okay, now you can see the revenue of it. Okay, so this is the way it uses your match and index function. Without hard coding, what I can do is, okay, so I just copy this match function. Okay, then what happened is, in index, instead of 2, instead of hard coding over here, I'm passing my match function itself. Okay. Now what can I do is I can change my ice cream type and see whether it works. See, it works. It is like third one, ice cream type of third with a revenue of 21837. So this is the way you can use your index and match function to fetch it. Okay. So this is the end of the video. Thank you.